Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to go to the range, have a look at all the Christmas decorations and some of the gifts that you can buy in the range. So I'm going to pick up my sister, but if that's something you guys want to see, then let's go to the range and look at the Christmas selection.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Let's go outside.
How cute is this one? Look at the unicorn. These ones are cute. These ones are nice too, these like silvery ones. We've got burgundy. Look at the swan! The swan is so gorgeous, all the family of penguins. Ella loves those. All of the ribbons. I love putting ribbon on the Christmas presents. Do you love it, Ella, as well?
Oh yeah, I love it.
This is my favourite. This one's gorgeous. What do you like that one, Ella? There's only a few of these left, but these are so glam. Sweet Wonderland. Look at these. I mean, if you have a pink tree. Shoes. Oh. I actually think I need to change my colour scheme because pink is just... It's so pretty. Look at this. Gorgeous.
We should find some new.
This one. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. No way! This reminds me of being a little child. No, look at the doorbell.
That is cute.
I love it! This is, you fancy proposing to someone? You've got, this section has all the little sticky bits.
This is so cute.
What about these? Oh, these ones are kind of cool. Pinky one. The big white flowery things and bubbles with beads on. What's happened to Mrs. Claus' glasses?
And why is the pupil peach and her eyes are black?
They're quite good, aren't they? Shimmering cotton.
So last year when we were finally trying to find candy canes, there was no red one, but we finally found a red one.
Okay, so when I need some, yeah, you can remind me.
I remember when I got a bunch of these.
A chocolate fondue set, $9.99.
Where's that chocolate fondue?
Wow, it's been a long day. So, ended up coming back from the range. And guys, when I say there's some surprises in there, there's some surprises. Like that big Santa that's basically the size of Ella. Like, it's kind of scary, but really funny at the same time. So, the things that I picked up from the range were this gorgeous, look at this. The detail on this is just superb. Like I actually really love it. And I'm thinking, like, even though it's a Christmas decoration and it's put out for Christmas, you could actually just keep it on your dressing table. And the best thing is, it plays the sound of music. Oh my goodness, I actually love it. So yeah, that was the first thing. And then I kind of went down a pink hole, guys, I'm not gonna lie. And I ended up buying like pink baubles. So the first selection of pink baubles I got was this one. So it's kind of like a pink and gold. I'm thinking of doing like a pink and gold Christmas tree in my room because it's just gorgeous. That was the purple one. Then I also got oh yes, this one, it was on its own. This pink little rocking horse, this white and pink one. So pretty. Oh, I can't remember what Ella called it. She gave it a really nice, unique name. What did she call it? Like Lashava or something crazy. Ella, if you can remember what you called it, comment it down below because yeah, I would love to remember what you said. Then I just got some Lindor teddy bears, and you know what, I love that you can just break these off. I usually put them with like a Christmas card, so if I'm writing the Christmas cards I can just put a little chocolate bear, or sometimes I do give a candy cane, but yeah, I think these are really cute just to put with Christmas cards. Then obviously I had to get a ballerina dress because me being a dancer, I mean, you just have to. So I got the pink tutu, and that's just there, really, really pretty. And then, okay, this was kind of a fun one, fun novelty, but a pink high heel. I just thought it was really cute and fun. So yeah, so they were the bubbles. I obviously got 3 of the pink and purple baubles each, so that they've got each other on the Christmas tree. But yeah, I thought it was really, really nice. And I just can't wait to have a pink and white theme as well. So that's going to be all for today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe and join the family for some more Christmas content throughout the season. Anyway, that's going to be all. Goodbye, guys.